What is up, my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing things a little different. I'm going to be bringing you guys a hair tutorial. If you guys don't know, I did get a pixie cut back in like January, February of this year, and when I did get my hair cut, I got finger waves. I did end up getting a relaxer, but now I'm currently in the process of growing out this relaxer. Right now, summer's coming up. I'm in the process of growing my hair out, so we got to make something work. So today I'm going to be doing the curls and kinks clip-ins, and I did get these from my local beauty supply store. These are synthetic clip-ins, and I did only pay $26.99 for them. This is what we're gonna be installing, and if you're interested in watching, keep on viewing. Here are the clip-ins, and it did come with 9 pieces. Since I do like more of a full look, I'm going to be using all of the pieces. So it definitely has more than enough clips for you to be able to add that value. It'll definitely be able to give you that look. Enough of talking, and let's get into it. The curls already are looking so cute. I feel like the camera isn't really doing justice. Oh my god. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. And if you guys see me looking this way, it's because I'm making a TikTok at the same time, so look. Okay. Okay guys, so here is the final look of how the clip-ins look once they are all installed. I did go ahead and use all nine pieces that it came with, just to get more of like a fuller look, because who doesn't like full big hair? So this is the final look. This is how it turns out, and as you can see, my leave out, it's blending with it just perfectly. So this is definitely for my babes who maybe you have a pixie cut, maybe you have a TWA, and you're in the process of just transitioning. I know I'm in the process of transitioning from relaxed to my natural hair texture. So I'm working with two different textures right now, and it's not necessarily giving. So clip-ins, look, that's just what it's gonna have to be. But as you guys can see, it looks very nice, right? Very much full, and on top of that, $26.99. So I will leave the link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair. And if not, hey, we got more videos on the way that maybe you just may be interested in. But in the meantime, I will catch you guys in the next one. And that is all that we have for today. La 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 la.